Let's look at Chapter 10, Lesson 1 Extension, Finding Combinations of Attributes. We're going to use this chart in order to answer the questions. What portion of the cards have a trapezoid without stripes? So I need to find all of the trapezoids. I know that a trapezoid is going to have only one pair of parallel sides. So I can see that the darkly shaded one right here is a trapezoid. The one below it is a trapezoid. And I know that these two are also trapezoids. So what portion of the cards have a trapezoid without stripes? Well, I know that there's 4 trapezoids, but only 3 of them are not striped. So then I need to count all the cards, and I know that there's going to be 12 cards in all. So 3 out of 12 are trapezoids without stripes. What portion of the cards have a darkly or lightly shaded parallelogram? So I need to know that parallelograms have 2 sides that are parallel. And I can see that I have 1, 2, 3, 4 parallels. And now I need to figure out what portion of the cards have a darkly or lightly shaded parallelogram. Well, I know that it's going to have 1 at the top, which is darkly, and 1 at the other top, which is lightly shaded, which would be 2 out of 12. What portion of the cards have a darkly shaded triangle? And I can see that I only have 1 darkly shaded triangle, so that would be 1 out of 12. You can write this as a fraction. For number 4, I need to describe a kind of card that appears in the deck fewer times than darkly or lightly shaded parallelogram. Well, I know that the darkly or lightly shaded parallelogram is going to be 2 out of 12. So I need to find something that appears less. And I can see that if I have a striped triangle, there's only 1 striped triangle, so that would be 1/12. Now I need to describe a kind of card that appears 4 times out of the 12 cards. And I know that if I said any triangle would be 4 out of 12. Describe a kind of card that appears 8 times out of 12 cards. And I know that a quadrilateral would be a card or a shape that has 4 different sides, which could be the trapezoid or the parallelogram, and that would equal 8 out of 12.